Hi, my name is Puppet Boy. Allow me to get myself situated. Today's episode is about my friend Bear, who is asleep. Sleeping like a little baby, right there. Now we gotta be quiet, keep it on the down low. I'm gonna scare that motherfucker. I'm gonna scare him. I'm gonna be like, ah! Boogie, boogie, boogie. So, here we go. Oh my God, you got me, you got me, you got me. Hey baby. Oh my God, you're a fucking perv. What the fuck is this? What's up with those cameras? Like right there. What the fuck is this? Shut up, we're on video, bitch. Oh seriously, what the fuck is this? This is like punk. Oh my God, I'm in punk. No, you fucking whore. I'm scaring the shit out of you. Now shut the fuck up. You are a prostitute. Fuck that bitch. Ladies and gentlemen, that is what you call a cunt. A fucking cunt. Okay, ladies and gentlemen? A cunt. But it's okay, because I brought a special guest. But the only thing is, I don't know when the fuck he's coming. One day he's here, one day he's not. You keep an eye closed, and all of a sudden, he's there. He could come out here, he could come out there, I don't know. I'm just gonna keep my fucking eyes closed, okay? Just watch. Is he coming? No. Is he coming? No. How about now? No. I hear horns. He's not there. Hi, boys and girls. Is he there? No. Boys and girls, watch this. I'm gonna scare little puppet boy. Oh my God, look who it is! It's Scarecrow! Shut up. What? Shut up. Don't get tall with me. Don't get short with me. Bitch, I'm taller than you ever thought about being. Now you made me hurt my fucking head. Okay? I hurt my fucking head. And my arm won't stop moving. And these bees are huge. Are you gonna give me a hug or what? No. I'm not gonna give you a fucking hug. I'm gonna give you a fucking bitch slap. Well, you know what? Fuck you. Fuck me? No. Fuck you. No, fuck you. No, fuck you. No, fuck you. You make me so hot right now. I don't know. It's been forever since I've had my shit hustled. You want to go down there? Yeah, why not? You jump on me. No, you jump on me. No, you jump on me. Bitch, I'm as stiff as a motherfucking rock. You jump on me. Fine. Woo!
Where'd Puppet and Boy go?
Are they gone?
Yep.
You see, ladies and gentlemen, I always keep my hands like this because I'm really scared. I don't like it when Puppet Boy just comes up out of nowhere. He's a really scary motherfucker. And, oh, what was that noise? Shit, I gotta run. I killed that motherfucker. I beat his ass. And I was like, waboom! And he was like, waboom! And I was like, I'm gonna fuck the shit out of you. So, I'm gonna go down there.